Good evening, my fellow traders. All right, so how was your day today? I hope that you didn't make lots of mistakes during the trading in European decision. So, and Draghi speech as well. So hopefully was all good. So let me show you some updates for today, for tonight, for American session, what is left, and also what is possibly going to happen during the first hours of Asian session. All right, so let's start with Aussie. The price, as you can see, is in a range at the moment. It's been here for a while. It's 1 hour chart, so we did have some noise during the news. Nothing actually has happened. So as I can see, the possibility is that the price will move down towards 0.74590 level. All the levels are based on volume and open interest, and they will be recounted tomorrow in the morning. So this information is valid for US and Asian session as well. All right, so just a sec. Okay, so let's go a bit further. So I do expect this price to bounce from this level here and buy it around here. All right, let's go further. Euro pound, the price is at the moment in a possible, I would say, support area, which is 0.83027. But as you know, I do trade not levels but the areas, and the thing is that this area, which is very close to just 8 pips above, has been triggered by this wick here, as you can see. So it might be a good opportunity to buy, but as you can see, well, the price didn't show any confirmation of up movement, so something like this is possible. So as you can see, it's very similar. I'm not trying to find any analogies, but as you can see, well, the price can actually reach this level here. So that's something what I'm expecting. So I do want to buy it, and I have 3 levels to do so. So I do expect this level to be triggered at 0.83027. Euro dollar. Euro dollar didn't move anywhere much. Well, there was a very good opportunity. Let me switch to 15-minute chart. Basically, there was a very good opportunity to sell it just with this week here. And my sell limit order was just about half a pip away of this week here. So unfortunately, sometimes it happens. It doesn't mean that you have to change your trading approach or something. It just happens, you know. Sometimes you have a losing trade, sometimes you are losing a trade, and sometimes you win, basically, if you want to call it as a win. For me, it's just earning. All right, so that's what it is. So let's go a bit further. For now, as you can see, the price is at the range. So in case if it will break through this level 1.10570, the price will continue its up movement. The same as this one, 1.09760 is a down moving point. So breaking through this line here, the price is going to go down. So what I do expect and to wait is that the price will continue its up movement. Possibly it will kind of break through this level here, and then around here 1.10570 or 1.11010, I will try to sell it. So that's something what I have for now. So I'll see what kind of analysis I will have tomorrow. So basically for now, till the end of US session, that's the levels to trade. Basically, as we can see, the price can possibly bounce off these levels here, because we do see that this level, it's actually volume weighted, and it is a very good resistance area. I mean, it's a low time frame period, but as you can see, it is still a resistance area. Okay, so it's possible that the price will continue its down movement from here to this level, at least 1.09760. Pound dollar or cable, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, it has been quite noisy during the day. Let me delete this thing from here. Well, it was just demonstrating that all these levels are actually working. So, right, so let me just talk it over. So what can actually happen here? The price can possibly bounce off this level here and go down to this level here. During the night, it's 1.31570. I don't think that it will continue its down movement a bit further, because, well, I don't expect any huge volatility during the Asian session. Anything can happen, of course, but that's just my opinion. All right, let's go a bit further. News Kiwi. So what do we have here? The price is well, what do I expect? I expect to sell it. And where do I want to sell it? I want to sell it of this level is ideal, 0.70371. Not sure that the price will continue its up movement towards here, but at least this one, 0.70014, will be triggered as a, we can see this is a very strong resistance area around this level here. Okay, dollar CAD, what do we have here? Haven't updated the levels, but as you can see, the previous ones are working. So this level, 1.30713, might be broken. Well, I do still expect it to go down further to 1.29874. It will possibly happen tomorrow. Not sure if it will or not. But that's something what I'm waiting for, and then if it will, I will try to trade a bounce of this level here. Okay, so dollar franc or Frankie, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, we did have some noise around this area, so both our resistance and support has been triggered. Well, I have been talking about news trade earlier today in the morning, so what can I say? It's a very good idea to trade limits during the news. Even these news, like it was now, basically sometimes we do have a breakouts, very strong breakouts, but even though if we'll have them, well, our stop loss will be much smaller if comparing it to these kind of trades like now. So for example, if you're trading buy stops or sell stops, can you imagine what would happen here? And I'm sure that lots of things like this has happened tonight. Well, not tonight, but today. So that's something what has happened here. All right, so what do I wait for now? I do wait this price to go up, but what do I want to do? I want to buy it around this area here. So it's not even the level 0.98530, but 0.98400. All right, let's go further. It's dollar yen. So what do we see here? Well, basically the price has, well, I've predicted this move here. I've posted a signal to sell. The price has reached its short-term target, and the possibility is that it will go further down, but I'm not sure, because tomorrow is Friday. Today is going to be an Asian session. Asian session might be quite not volatile, or not volatile at all, so it all depends. It is different from day to day or from night to night, so we must know it. So still, do want to sell it, and we'll look for another kind of break of this high here, and possibly around this level at 106.75 will be a try to sell it. Okay. Mexican. So what is actually happening with Mexican? Well, what did I want to do? I wanted to sell it off this level here, but I did expect, well, I didn't see any price pattern somewhere, something like this. So as we can see, this level has almost been triggered. Well, this area around this level has been triggered, and it is possible that the price will continue its up movement towards 18.86792, and I still want to sell it. I don't want to buy it. We do have a buying pattern here. It's at the level, and the possibility is really high that the price will continue its up movement, but still I want to sell it. That's something well, what I'm waiting for, and I will try to do it in the future. Okay, gold. Gold actually moved around the levels I've mentioned a lot, basically. So as you can see on 1 hour chart, it does look like it's almost triggered this level here. So we were able to place a limit order on the rounding level at 1315. Here it is. So we always have to round the levels and use them. So that's something what you always have to remember and have to do. And the price is actually at the short-term target here, 1329.54. So what actually happened? The price has shown us a very good trend reversal around this here. So we do have a very strong support around this wick here. Not the wick, but it's just a support area 1310. Very strong support area. So what do I expect? I expect the price to continue its not to continue. I do expect to continue its up movement, but before that, I'm expecting it to get back to 1323 during the nighttime, and then I'll try to sell, to buy it tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed your day and it was good for you, and you've made some money. You didn't lose anything. So I'll see you tomorrow, 6 London time. All right, thank you very much. So I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.